Here we are unboxing the Panasonic PT-MZ880 series projector. When purchasing this projector from a Panasonic authorized dealer, the following are included: Panasonic PT-MZ880 8000 lumen WUXGA 3 LCD projector, 3-year manufacturer warranty, remote control, 2 AA batteries, power cord, lens cover, instructions manual. The Panasonic PT-MZ880 series projector includes a powered zoom lens with a throw ratio 1.61 to 2.76 to 1. There are optional lenses available for setups that require a different throw ratio. This series comes in 3 levels of brightness: the PT-MZ680 at 6000 lumens, the PT-MZ780 at 7000 lumens, and the PT-MZ880 as shown in this video at 8000 lumens. You can also select from either a black or white finish depending on your installation needs. This laser projector provides 20,000 hours of life with very limited maintenance required. PT-MZ880 series ships with a 1.61 to 2.76 to 1 ratio powered zoom lens and supports a selection of optional fixed and zoom lenses to suit your preferred projector location. These optional lenses include a new zero offset ETELU20 ultra short throw zoom lens, making this projector series not only a great fit for education and corporate use, but also for museum exhibition. When paired with a compatible powered lens, projectionists can perform zoom, focus, and V/H lens shift adjustments using the projector remote control or smart projector control app. For more information, please contact OfficeWonderland.com, your Panasonic authorized dealer.